So if you're in your first year of trading, okay, there are 5 things you need to do. Okay, I only have 4 hours of sleep, so I try to. The first thing you gotta do is you need to get your life together. Because if your life is moment you go home, husband, wife be like, why you never buy things for me for my anniversary? Like every day is a routine to fight. Every day you go home, your parents are fighting and your goldfish is dying. It's hard for you to become a good trader, okay? So get your life sorted out first. The next thing you gotta take care of is your finances. Like way too many of you, Karen, how much money should I put in to my first trading account? Because I need it to pay rent for next month. Because I need it to pay for my school fee for the next few months. I need it to buy food. Now, if it is that urgent, okay, you gotta use it to buy food, you gotta use it to pay rent. You're not going to trade in a mentally stable manner. You're going to become a roller coaster. Like you in itself is the theme park. So have at least 6 months worth of savings first, and better yet, a secondary income, just in case your first trading account doesn't work out, gets blown, which is very likely because almost all professional traders start that way. You need to be financially stable, mentally stable, everything is stable before you start trading. I know a lot of people tell you like, if you get into trading, buy my signal, buy my course now, then you can remove all your life problems. Oh, I wish it's that easy, man. Second thing you need to do, learn from a trusted resource. I don't care who you learn from, okay? Even if you don't want to learn from me, it doesn't matter. You see, there are people who admit on camera they learn investing and trading through watching YouTube videos and reading online articles, meaning they never invest anything into their financial education, learning everything for free, and yet you're on social media teaching people how to trade, invest. On the other hand, I have friends who have the experience, meaning they have lost a lot of money, then they learn their lesson. They have traveled all around Asia or all around the world to teach people how to trade, and they have a finance degree. Like they have the whole package, and yet there are people who call them scam. If these people are a scam, then the whole world is a scam. There are people who think that every single guru is a scam. Then I don't know where are they going to learn trading from. Number 3, take at least 2 to 3 weeks. Better yet, 1 month. Okay, be a little bit more conservative. To pick a broker, way too many of you beginners pick broker like you pick somebody for a one-night stand. They only look at 2 things: high leverage, low spread. You can pick a broker with 1:1 million leverage and then with 0 spread, but what if when you want to withdraw your funds, you cannot get it back? That's a problem, right? Then number 4, practice on a demo account. On a demo account, don't jump into live first. I practiced on a demo while I was in university for 2 years. And there are people who are like, I already practiced for 2 weeks. Why can't I start now? You can start. Technically, you can start. Practice on demo for at least 6 months. 6 months. How do you know whether your strategy works? Like if your sample size of trades is only 1 month's worth of data, do you think that's enough? If you only trade demo for 1 month and then you'll be like, I am profitable after this 1 month. Maybe you're just lucky for January, but things might change on February, March, and it will. Then number 5, start a live account. Not just any live account, but a small live account. A small live account. You can start with $50, $100, but there's a problem that most people might not realize. Is that most people don't take it seriously, and then they would over leverage, then they would increase their lot size to the maximum possible because they look at the profit 10 cent, 20 cent, 30 cent. So let's speed things up a little bit. Use the maximum lot size. Most importantly, in your first year of trading, you need a lot of patience, discipline, and perseverance, because it's gonna get hard. You eventually realize that, oh, it's not Disneyland, because yes, you can achieve that so-called lifestyle only after many years of hard work. I can tell you, on some months, weeks, you're gonna feel like giving up every day. Every day you wake up and you'll be like, let me do something else. Maybe this is not for me. If you feel that it is not your passion, then go do something else. But if you feel that this is just something that's meant for you, you're gonna keep pushing. Not just for yourself, but for your family, for the people that you want to help, for them. If you don't want to do it for yourself, do it for them. Alright, that's it for now. I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.